Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline width property. And right now we'll be specifically talking about the CSS outline width property along with the tick value. The tick value is representing the 5px, which is 5 pixel. So in case we don't want to specify this 5 pixel like this, we can just use the tick value. So let me use this in our document now so you can see how it works. Back to our document. As you can see, we are in our previous tutorial, we are having this where we discussed about the medium value, the outline width of medium value, and right now we are going to be using our tick value. So quickly, right here inside our document, as you can see this one now, I'm going to specify the outline width property. When I specify the outline width property, and I'm going to give it tick value. When I give this tick value right here, when we reload our document, you are going to see what will happen. This one, keep looking at this one. Can you see it increased to 5 pixels? Can you see it's bigger than this black one right here? This black one at the top right here is bigger than this one inside this place. So that is the 5 pixel for you. So let's say for instance now I give it 5 pixel now, 5px. You are going to see there won't be any changes to that. When we reload, can you see it's also the same thing. So in case you don't want to use this 5 pixel like this, you can just use the tick. When you use the tick value right here, definitely you are trying to specify this using your 5 pixel. You are using the 5 pixel automatically, and you can increase this and decrease this if you want. Maybe if you want to increase, you can give it 17. You give it 17 pixel. When you specify 70 pixel, it's going to increase. Can you see it increase? It increase beyond 5 pixel. And if you give it, even if you give it let's say you give it 2 pixel self, it's going to decrease beyond 5 pixel. Can you see? But if you give it 5 pixel, it's going to be at the tick level. So that's the benefit of using that. And you can give it 24 pixel if you want. When you specify 24 pixel, can you see? So depends on what you want to do on that day. So as you can see right now, when I specify this tick value, you should know that I'm trying to use the 5 pixel value. When I reload, it's going to be at the 5 pixel value, and I can use this same thing inside our other element also right here, which is this our fit set element. In this our fit set element, I'm going to use outline width property here again. When I use the outline width, I'm going to specify the tick value. When I use the tick value right here and I reload my document, can you see this one also automatically come to the tick level? So when it comes to the tick level, I can also specify 5 pixel there by default. Can you see the same thing? Of course, there's no any changes. But if I want to increase, I can increase it 7. Can you see it increase? When I increase it, when I give it 6, the same, it's going to, can you see it's go beyond 5 pixel. When I give it 9 pixel also, it's going to go beyond. And when I give it 24 pixel, it's going to go very beyond 5 pixel. Can you see? And when I give it 5 pixel, it's going to be at the tick level. Can you see is at the tick level now? And if I don't want to be using this value like this, I can just use the tick value by itself by default automatically. When I reload, can you see it's the same thing that is showing right here? So please practice this, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do it, nobody can do that for you. So you can use the tick value if you need 5 pixel. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.